This is just a quick video demo to follow up the demo on editing mail merge letters and receipts to show how you would use the mail merge receipts. Normally, when the program is set up initially, under Maintenance Receipt Options, this option here is not selected for Create Receipts via Mail Merge instead of Built-in Report method. So because of that, if you go to Receipt and say Current Donor Sample, this is the standard built-in sample receipt that it's showing you, a receipt just marked as sample with the watermark. If instead you go to Receipt Options and do check that checkbox to create receipts using Mail Merge, it reminds you that you're going to want to edit the template to make sure that it's the way you want to do it. We already did that in the previous video by using letters, one letter. But instead of that, we can do it with this button here, Edit Mail Merge Receipt, right on this window. So here's our format. You can see the changes we made in the last video, changing the font on org name to Comic Sans, and we also added a little couple of sentences at the bottom here, just as a sample of how you could add your own wording. I'll change that font again at the top, just so you can see that editing here definitely does do something. Let's see, let's just do something different. Okay, Cooper Black. See what that ends up looking like. So we'll exit, save and close. I should also point out that if you're in Canada, there's the option of using a distinct receipt format for gifts in kind. And this grayed out button here, Edit Mail Merge Gift in Kind Receipt, can be used to edit the template for those receipts. And of course, the Canadian receipt format is significantly different from the one for the USA that we're using in this video. Anyways, let's save this. Let's go to Receipt, Current Donor Sample. You'll see that it's now the mail merge version of the receipt. It's got that font change we just made, and of course the extra paragraph that is in the template, and the sample only bitmap all over it showing it's a sample. Once you've got that option set in Receipt Options for mail merge receipts, all of the receipt menu's menu options will use those mail merge receipts. So say I want to reprint receipts numbers 1 and 2 after confirming that I haven't sent them, so I can reprint them unchanged. It's again the same thing. It's not a sample, it's a reprint of those original receipts with the extra wording and the font change. And of course I could also create new receipts that way. Now this doesn't mean that you can't also reprint receipts through letters mass mailing with the receipt information option. But there's no benefit to doing that anymore, since you can do it through receipt reprint range. That would give you exactly the same result. So that's it. Thank you for listening.